Hey guys, and welcome to Math Know. 100 divided by 4 times 2 plus 3 in parentheses. So 2 plus 3 gives us 5, and now 4 times 5 gives us 20, and now we have 100 divided by 20, this expression is equals to 5, but this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics, the order of operation is like this: first parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. According to these operations, we have one parenthesis here that we have to solve it first. So 2 plus 3 gives us 5. Now we have 100 divided by 4, and we have one multiplication here and 5. Now, according to this rule, we know that division and multiplication have equal priority. So we have to solve from left to right. Now, 100 divided by 4 gives us 25, and 25 times 5 gives us 125. The final answer is 125. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.